This is Barbecue Depot, and we are going to go over the features of the Lynx Sedona barbecue. This grill is the L601. It also comes in a 30-inch grill, which is a 501, and a 42-inch grill, which is a 701. This is the 36-inch. It has a spring-assisted hood for easy lifting. One level warming rack. This model is the Pro Sear model. So at the end, you'll see it says PS. No rotisserie in the back. If you do have a rotisserie, there is a rotisserie rod holder. All of the grills have the option to be in Pro Sear, Blue Flame, with or without rotisserie back burner. 2 interior halogen lights, blue LED lighted knobs, drip tray with match lighting. This is to light the grill. You should not have the ignition's not working. Underneath is the model and serial number. The grill has 3 burners, all 23,000 BTUs. There's 2 stainless U burners. The U burners use the ceramic briquette trays, and you have the Pro Sear. This grill is electronic ignition that also has a battery backup in the event that you should lose power. So when you want to light the grill, you push the knob in and turn until the burner lights, and you can adjust for how high or low you want your flame to be. Same thing with the Pro Sear. Hold it in, turn it, and then the Pro Sear, you can adjust the heat, high or low. There is a temperature gauge on this grill, so you can get the internal heat. It's not temperature at the surface level, but it is the hot air inside the grill. If you have any questions on this grill, contact us at the Barbecue Depot.